Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can promote high paying adult CPO offers to earn high amount of money. Here you can see my earnings. I have made $1,024. You can also earn this amount of money. I'm going to share with you a step by step. Watch this full video without skipping. Guys, if you are new on my channel then please subscribe our channel and like this video. First of all, I'm going to make landing page for CPA offers. Friends, you can make landing page on Blogger website. If you do not have a Blogger website, then don't worry. You can easily create Blogger website online just by entering your email address. It's 100% free. I have already created Blogger website. I'm going to publish here post. Click on new post. Now type here title. Here I'm going to upload one picture. Friends, if you do not have a picture, then don't worry. You can download this kind of picture from Google. Now here I am going to type here some articles. Friends, here you can see I have already written this article. I am going to copy this article and paste here. Friends, you can just pause this video and copy all these articles. Now I am going to download a start button from Google. Now here I am going to insert a start button. Okay, so after completing this post, I am going to add here CPA offers link. Go to your Crakrevenue account and click on Smart Links. Select here CPA type, Revenue Share Only. Now here select promotion method. Select here posts. Friends, I mostly use a smart link offers to promote. It's a great offer to earn high amount of money. The great thing about this offer is that this is available over 250 countries. That's why I mostly use a smart link offers to promote. Just scroll down below and copy this URL link. Now go to Bitly website. And paste here that smart link offer URL. Click on Shorten. Copy this URL. Now go to Blogger website and select a start button. Now click here. Now here paste your URL. Turn on this box. Click on apply. Okay, so after completing this post, type here labels. Now click on publish button. Click on confirm. Friends, here click on view button. Friends, here you can see how is my landing page looking. Now the next step is how you can promote this landing page to get lot of audience. Friends, I'm going to share with you best method to get lot of audience on this website. Friends, I wanna share with you this website called Top. Friends, here you can see there are lot of people posting their content on this website. From here you can get lot of audience on your website. It's 100% free. You do not need to invest your money here. Let me show you how you can promote your landing page on this website. Click on add listing. You will then come to this page. Click on register button. You can easily register on this website just by entering your email address and password. Friends, after registering on this website, you will then come to this page. Just click here add listing. Select here location. Okay, so after selecting location, you will then come to this page. Select here image. Now type here title. Select here escorts type. Enter here donation. Now select here before season. And this is optional, you can leave it blank. Select here below job. Select here for play. And here you can type your mobile number. This is optional. And here I'm going to paste my website URL link. Just go to your website and copy this URL link. Then paste here. Here I'm going to type long description. You can just pause this video and copy all these articles. Here I'm going to paste my website URL link. Okay, so after completing this information, click on submit listing. Click on select package. Friends, here you can see listing submitted. Friends, with this method you can get lot of audience for your blog or website. Friends, let me show you someone's post. Friends, here you can see this post. This person has left their URL link. Once any person will click on this URL link, then they will be redirected on this website. You can also go on Fukat platform. Guys, this is a great and popular platform. You can get lots of audience from this platform. Here you can see lots of people are using this platform to advertise their website. You can simply click on post free ad button to create campaign. You can insert your website URL to get audience. So friends, using this method you can get lot of audience on your website. You can also promote this URL link on WhatsApp group, Facebook group, Instagram, Twitter and all social media networks. Once any person will click on this start button, then they will be redirected to this smart link offers. Once they will just sign up on this smart link offers, then you will earn $2 to $5 per sign up. Once they will pay money for dating, then you will earn $100 per person. It's one of the easiest method to earn money online. So friends, without wasting your time, use this method to earn money online. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.